Hey, what's up buddies, how are you? Hope you're fine. Now welcome back to another video about AMP coin. Guys, in this video I'm talking about the latest price update. What's the latest price of the AMP coin? What's the right now changes occur in the AMP coin? Let me show you guys, but before starting this video, please click the subscribe button right now for more news and updates videos about AMP coin. The currently live changes occur in the AMP coin in the market is 0.064805 USD dollar. That is the right now live price of the AMP coin in the market. And other side, if we talk about the changes occur in the AMP coin, so you can see here guys that only guys the latest changes is negative, but the previous changes of the AMP coin is positive. I mean the last 1 day, last 1 week changes of the AMP coin as positive. Only the last 1 hour changes of the AMP coin is negative. Let me show you the price chart. Wow, guys, you know what, the previous time of the AMP coin is very paid, but in the latest situation on the 23 August in 24 August the price start pumping positive 9.32%. You can see the price time is neutral, but at this time the price explodes. So now it is the beginning of a huge pump. Understand it, try to understand guys. It is a beginning of a huge pump, so be alert, be alert. Anyways guys, what you think about AMP coin, also share in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe channel for more news and updates videos.